Bridging that way you say. So me want to know what the streets have to say.
Wagwan people, you done your boy Jnel, and welcome back to our next episode of Streets here. Watch you know, as you can tell about the background already, you don't know so where they are half a tree right now. You know what I mean? So the question for the day is, who are on dancehall right now? Popcorn, Massacre, Vybz Kartel, or Alkaline? So for who are watch, left it in the comment on the thing. So watch you know, you don't know what Streets say. We're going to see what the people have to say right now. You know, without further ado, you done your boy Jnel. I'm out. Yo, Raina, come down, you know. Alright, even boss. So the question for the day now, right?
Yeah.
Between Alkaline, Vybz Kartel, Popcorn, who you think are on dancehall right now?
Right now,
Yeah.
at this given moment,
Yeah.
really and truly, if a teacher come from jail, I don't really see nobody else on the media like that right now, I'll be honest with you.
You said the man them ease out.
Every man come like and catch and scared because through the king of dancehall come back, it's like the man them a panic are really chronic law. Maybe see really are doing thing right now.
Same way, yeah.
Massacre are doing things same way. You know Alkaline is a man right now. Him do something and then he missing.
Kartel, man. Kartel straight, world boss. World boss in the place right now. You know say a Gaza I say right now. You see me? Gaza in the place right now.
So what you mean the Gaza you say right now? That means you never say Gaza?
A long time I say Gaza.
You sure?
Long time.
You sure?
Long time I say Gaza.
Oh, you say a Gaza around the place right now?
Gaza in the place right now. Gaza in the place right now. World boss in the place right now. World boss in the place right now, man. World boss.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn.
Why you say Popcorn?
I'm not a dancehall fan per se, but popcorn of the crowd. Yes, definitely.
So what you think about Vybz Kartel?
Well, Kartel, I'm a family. You don't know Palmer to Palmer. I love Kartel, but I want Kartel take some time out and get him rest, recuperate and then come back fresh. Because the people love him, definitely. Yeah, that's it.
I say I run dancehall right now. It's right now. You see, a whole team around dancehall. I not give no man no edge over, no man. Because here what me right now. I mean him not laugh. I mean him evil boss and I miss say. Work hard, get a youth, no gun in the hand for bus, no make Satan come tempt your fuss. Work hard, get a youth, no gun in the hand for bus, no make the devil come trick your fuss. Cause if we complexion dark, them say we less fortunate, we can't pass no judgment, cause me not try yet. When me try and me fail, me start all over again. Work hard, get a youth.
Dancehall artists who are on dancehall right now, I tell you the straight truth. A Vybz Kartel. I nah go around that still.
Yeah.
Big man thing. You see me, I mean I'm Mad Bull. And last...
Mad Bull?
Yeah man, Mad Bull where Overmars and Vegas sing
So
about.
Mad Bull, make the circle.
Yeah.
Raging Bull, the Mad Bull eh?
Yeah man, and me are the Mad Bull. Sorry for talk a while ago without looking in the camera. You understand? Yeah. I mean I'm Mad Bull. You understand? Yeah, my son. I have a program named Talking Mind TV and an advertising service named Explore Mind Magazine.
World boss, man, straight. Yeah, I'm not biased go on the corner and talk world boss straight.
So word boss.
World boss.
Final answer.
World boss.
Word boss.
World boss.
Word boss.
World boss.
Word boss.
World boss.
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 Straightforward popularity would have been Vybz Kartel. But differently from popularity, we are talking about music. I remember 21st century, the youth them are elevate and them are use the brain, you see me? And if you look on them vocabulary, them not small in them brain, you see me? So watch this now. The man them do them music, me not give them man no stripe over them man. I just Kartel if him decides to come do some box of music, he don't have to sit in, but me have to give him a prop still. Because if a man behind the bars so long, brother, and watch him still a growth in his music, watch him still a elevate, I have so much things on him brain. That's when him tell the song say, yo, tell us him brain higher than a satellite, me they believe him. You see me? Because guess what I'm now, the youth here, enough man couldn't do what him do. And Vybz Kartel, you got yourself with that.
Run dancehall right now. We say it's a Massacre and Popcorn and Kartel.
Yeah, Alkaline.
Alkaline. Yeah, what, you left out one name still, Skilly Bang run the thing for me now. Skilly Bang go on with himself, brother.
Yes, I left out a name.
Yeah, Skilly Bang you say, brother. Skilly Bang of the road, man. You don't know anything on one.
Is there?
Is there?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Who you think I run dancehall right now?
Dancehall can't stall. Dancehall can't stall. How that? Flavor.
Vybz Kartel.
Must.
That is it.
One artist.
Why you say Vybz Kartel though?
Alright, I'm tell you something about Vybz Kartel. You know, say one time, I'm my artist that still, you see me?
Yeah.
From ever since, from 1998. When him say, if the teacher say, nah, no, hang on, so shall not sit here.
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, sorry. Then I cut to the part there.
Yeah, man, I cut it.
Alright.
So who you that say are the king of dancehall right now?
Right now,
Yeah.
Kartel is dancehall, you know, to be honest with you, you know. So I'm always going to be dancehall. I don't see nobody will overthrow him yet. People try and go up on a level, but I don't see nobody to take the title from him yet.
So hold on there, when you say people try and go up on a level and drop back, who you at?
Massacre, Alkaline.
Yeah.
I want you want to look out for right now. See you turn your enhance.
Enhance.
You see if enhance stay upon the path where him there, brother. I'm gonna tell you this, I'm gonna talk for him here. Enhance anyway they big up yourself, youth. Stay upon the path and don't make no hype get to you no time at all, my friend. Cause you see energy where you come with, brother, it's different. And one artist made sip on him level, where that do the thing, Rigging King and him fall off track. You see me I say? Rigging King was supposed to bring that torch there. But you see, I don't know if I because I have no disability to reach him. But you see, I tell you, enhance. Look out for enhance. Enhance. That is it, man. I am, man. Enhance or the youth, man.
So who you that say are the king of dancehall?
Beenie Man.
Beenie Man.
Yeah, definitely.
From them time then?
Yeah, from them time. But now, a Kartel. Me da give Kartel. Trust me.
No, but you have to choose is that Beenie Man or Kartel.
I will give my cousin Kartel. You don't know. Khadija Palmer, a.k.a. Vybz Kartel. Enough love.
Who you that say are the king of dancehall right now?
Yeah, hear me? Bounty killer. Bounty killer.
Yeah. Ground God.
Nah laugh.
King of dancehall. Nobody not take it from Beenie Man yet. But a Kartel next in line.
So you don't feel like Vybz Kartel take it already?
No. Beenie Man have to hand it over. I'm not biased.
So you say Beenie Man have to
hand it over to Vybz Kartel, no other. Straight.
So we say no. Beenie Man still have a title.
Yeah.
Right?
Till him say yo.
Till him say yo, watch out, I'm ready for give it up, you know me I go.
Vybz Kartel. Straight.
I have to speak the truth. It is Beenie Man. It is because Beenie Man done it internationally. If Vybz Kartel was here from that time, I have to be honest. It's going to be hard for Beenie Man reach to that level of success and that level of fame. Because why? Kartel, if you look over the years, Kartel being determined and him break barriers in the music. If you look into it, he make them vocabulary from them time there. Him advance from them vocabulary and he was one of the artists from them time also. If you check the history coming up, Kartel now young to the thing. You understand? So for him advance and keep on advance each time, make them have to play catch up. Because being a man that play catch up. That's the truth. You understand? So for me, he said that, I would have say, yo, right now, Kartel have the thing, but being a man of the king of dancehall.
Welcome people, so watch out, I'm wanting to check out the dog. You see me? OG Accessories 876. Which pound you can find the dog? It's obvious. Alright, yes over there. You see me? Right at bus park right there, so. You see me? And the dog, you don't know the dog always the right answer. So come support the dog. You want a phone case, screen protector, the whole of them thing there, the dog have it. You see me? OG, what you say?
Yeah man, outside every day, don't all on Sunday can link me. No joke.
Kartel man, real boss. Yeah. All you don't know, real boss now go on good still, but you don't know, yeah. Real boss run dancehall man, I ain't build it, you know.
That is it.
Yeah, so I'm set the foundation, so we have to just work with it. Yeah.
So you say artist though?
Yeah man. Yeah,
so you say you can run something from right now?
Yeah man, we are some man with this man. Yeah man. You don't know, you know. A lot, you know. One link in you don't know the thing going on, man. Everything active, you know. 5150 know me gun well load. A la pint it a swing and a chop like sword. This one a me charge me lot down the road. Yeah, me links them tall put more water ford. Boy must see mad him a fight with board. Like him no hear say me gun them loaded. A pick like lock when me send gun go road. Don't know anything in a man. Half a tree with there. Go and big up. Check out me thing them. Latch music.
You don't know, we're there in the streets, I do the right, you know what I mean, and the place just get dark all of a sudden, rain start tear, you know what I mean, so today's video, may that please come back on the road, come do back that video tomorrow, but me I said to myself, say, I'd rather come tomorrow and do like a separate video, you know what I mean, so the video go done right so make sure you say, you know, like, share and subscribe, and make sure you leave in a comment in the comment section to which one of the artists you feel like I run dancehall right now, and who is the king of dancehall, still Beenie Man, or a Vybz Kartel now. So leave your opinion in the comment section. And as I say, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Make sure you hit the like button. You know what I mean? Thanks for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. And as always, I'm out.